Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing another super cool and easy project with you. Turning a thrifted coffee table to an upholstered bench. I got this set of tables from a garage sale. The seller asked $30 for both, but I was only interested in a longer piece coffee table. He then offered $25 if I could take both. So I ended up paying $25 for both of them. Today I will be working on this coffee table. As you can see here, there's a lot of wear and tear on it, but I like the size and the style. I already have a large coffee table in our living room, so I want to turn this piece into an upholstered bench. I didn't think I would be able to open and close this drawer after that, so I decided to remove the drawer and replace it with a piece of a 1x3 board. I searched my garage and found this piece of leftover board from the bathroom renovation. The length is almost perfect and it only needs to be cut a little bit to fit. I used the wood filler to fill out any chips and the surface damage. After it dried, I used the 200 grit sand sponge to smooth it out. I'm going to repaint the body with the Annie Sloan's chalk paint. The reason I love to use the chalk paint is because it doesn't require much of a prep work. The only thing you have to do is to make sure the piece you are going to paint is deep cleaned to eliminate any residue and buildup. I used the TSP heavy duty cleaner mixed with warm water and cleaned the entire table. Last time when I was in the paint shop, I saw a piece of display furniture with a very nice dark green color. I asked the shop lady and she told me that's a half and half combination of two paint colors, Amsterdam green and Oxford navy. So I poured an equal amount of each color and mixed them together, stirred it well, then started painting it on the table. The result was not the color I saw in the shop. My mix was more on the blue side and I wanted more green. So I mixed another color combination. This time I mixed 2 portions of green with 1 portion of blue, and the result was the exact color I was looking to achieve. I applied 2 coats of paint, and after it had completely dried, I used the shop towels to apply a coat of Annie Sloan's dark wax. I like to use wax to seal the chalk paint on the furniture. It gives the piece a very nice finish as well as a high-end look. I did a total of 2 coats, 24 hours between each coat. I got this 3-inch high-density foam from Joann's. It was on sale for 50% off. I ordered 2 yards and chose curbside pickup for extra 20% discount. For the 4 metal table feet, I spray painted them with the Rust-Oleum metallic satin bronze and make them look similar like an antique gold color. I then sprayed on one side of the foam with a spray adhesive, let it dry for a minute, then place the sticky side down onto the tabletop. I also bought a roll of batting from Joann's. It was on sale for $9.49 each. If you order it online and use curbside pickup, you then get an extra 20% off. Place the foam-covered table upside down and make sure the batting is very flat without any wrinkles. Once you have the batting in place over the foam, it's time to staple. This table only has about a 1-inch lip all the way around it, so I have to make sure to leave enough room for stapling the fabric in place. While I was in the store picking up the foam and the batting sheets, I made a tour of a fabric section. This piece of fabric is on sale for 50% off, $6.99 per yard after that. I got 2 yards for $13.98. I love the thickness and the texture of this fabric, which will be perfect for an upholstered bench cover. And it's time to attach this 1x3 board to fill out the spot of the drawer. Before I staple the fabric on, I trimmed the excess off. When you do that, make sure to leave enough edge so you won't end up short. I then flipped the table over and double-checked the pattern lines to make sure they are going straight on the top. Stapling the fabric cover is almost the same as wrapping gifts. I stapled once in the middle of the one side, then went to the opposite side pulling the fabric tight and stapled once in the middle. Make sure the fabric is firmly straight. Then repeat the same process on the other 2 sides of the table. To complete each corner, I just put the corner point of the fabric up to the center and staple it down. Then fold over the sides and staple them down. After I was finished with all the stapling, I trimmed the edge all around the table. I then added the basic fabric trim with a hot glue gun to give it a super clean finish. Be sure to keep your trim leveled during the process. The fabric trim I got from Amazon, $7.99 for 10 yards. Guys, I think the table style, fabric pattern, and the chalk paint color together made the simple yet elegant lines to the finished piece. Good combination for a reasonable price, and it can go in different settings in your home as you choose. Please leave the comments below and let me know what you think about this project. If you like it, please give it big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you next time.